Wow, what an amazing weekend, Kathy. We have not had...
Who are you?
Oh, okay. I'm Bob.
We just assume everyone knows who we are. I'm Rob.
I'm Bob, and we represent the company called Totally Awesome Events. We just spent the weekend with the beautiful, lovely, and talented Kathy Epley, and wow, what a weekend. I mean, honestly, this has probably been, well, it has been the most amount of raging fans we've ever seen as far as comments after the event. Oh my God, and the transformations we saw in the room this weekend were unprecedented because, I mean, people were just getting it. Like, really? I don't have to think that way anymore. I can get out of my own way. I can step into my 10 energy, and it was just, people just got it. And that was cool because you could just feel the results. You know what I mean? It was just instant. It was there. And again, the comments we usually get are, that was great. This one is like, oh my God, this is insanely amazing. When is she coming back? We need more of her. Please get her again. So.
Yeah, the one that I find surprising is why didn't you tell us she was this good? We did. We sent you video.
Exactly.
But what's interesting is when people are just bouncing off the walls and they're so excited, they can't even tell you what they got out of the weekend. Yeah. All that's I'm a 10. I'm a 10. I got it. I got it. I got it.
And one lady was almost crying because she's like, I'm nervous because my whole life is about to change and I don't know what to do. And it's like, breathe, relax, vision where you want to go, and allow yourself to get there. And she's like, I know, but it's scary. But she was living her future in her mind, going like, oh my God, I want to go home and get started. Let's get at it. It's like, wow. Yeah. It was incredible.
Another great comment that I just got just at the end here was a woman said to me, she is so real. She's not one of those slick marketing people that comes in and sells for the entire weekend. She just brought and gave and gave and gave, and there was so much. And yeah, there is an option to do coaching, but you didn't push it. You didn't cram it down their throats the way so many people do. You didn't withhold anything. You brought it all, and they really appreciated that.
Yeah, so the authenticity and just you being you really resonated through, and people just got that. It's like, this lady is for real. And again, you shared your stories with them to a level or a degree maybe that most speakers don't, but you were just being you. We get that, but they had never really seen anything like that. So yeah, huge. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
And thank you so much for being here.
I appreciate it.
It's been a great honor for us to have you. And yeah, thank you so much.